We present a dynamic resolution model learning framework that learns a regressor to determine the optimal resolution based on current observation and goal configuration. The perception module will take in current observation y0 and the model resolution, and output the representation z0. Then, the dynamics module takes in representation, action, and model resolution and predicts the representation at next timestamp. The gradients from the forward model will help the optimizer to find the optimal actions.